In our VIFP Facebook group, we frequently get asked, are there ironing boards and irons in the staterooms? And there is not. And I'm here on the Carnival Celebration on her inaugural cruise, and normally what we would tell people is you go to the laundry room where you do self-service laundry, but on this ship it doesn't appear that they have self-service laundry, but they do have ironing rooms. So I've never seen an ironing room before. According to the map in the Carnival Hub app, there are several on the ship, one on almost every deck. So let's go check out the one on deck 5 and see what is an ironing room. What does that look like? And in the app, it has a $sign next to it, so it sounds like you might have to pay to iron your clothes. Let's investigate. So there you have it. That was an ironing room. So, yeah, okay, had a couple irons, a couple ironing boards, a couple cups, and a sink. And yeah, I don't know that it costs anything though, because I didn't see any indication of a price or any method of paying. It did have timers on the power outlets for 30 minutes, but that sounds to me more like a safety feature, and maybe also a way of keeping things moving if there's a line and a lot of people want to use these ironing rooms. How strange is that? Let me know in the comments, have you ever used an ironing room on a cruise ship before? Have you seen this before? How did it work? Did you get charged? Let us know what you think in the comments, because it baffles me a little bit, I'll be honest. And if you found this video useful at all, seeing this kind of part of a cruise ship that in 24 cruises I'd never seen before, give it a like. That helps other people find it so more people can know about their ironing options on board a ship. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, where we give you tons of useful tips. We show you things you don't normally see on cruises and on regular vacations, and we try to help you save some money so maybe you can travel a little bit more often. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.